Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to Heritage Soap. Today we're going to be making one of our requested soaps that's been out of stock. Divas Got Rocks. I've got little crowns we made. It's soap, glycerin soap, whatever. Okay, and then we got these great big rocks, and then we've got some little rocks. So we're gonna speed the video up. I'm gonna decorate the top. We're gonna drizzle it with a gold drizzle, and we'll see you back shortly. Hey y'all, welcome back to day 2. We're fixing to slice up Divas Got Rocks. This is a cold process soap with glycerin soap in bed embellishments. It's got jewels with cosmetic grade glitter inside them with small jewels. And then we've got crowns for the Divas. So it shines, it sparkles just like diamonds. So I'm excited to see what the inside of this is going to look like. Let's just go ahead and slice the end piece off so we can see what it's going to look like. Oh, I love it. And the hot pink and the white and the black just swirled all together. I love the colors. I changed up, used to have a white base. So I changed it to have a pink base. And we're going to slice this up. And we're hoping that it looks pretty from end to end. So I'm going to speed the video up so you can see it. Of course, there's the diamonds on the top and the crown. I don't know how the lighting is on that, but I'll try to get it so that you can see how it sparkles. See how it sparkles? All right, I'm going to speed the video up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Like the video if you like it, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, like our videos, and leave us a comment. Y'all have a great day.